Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today I have some perfumes from Nishane. Nishane is a Turkish brand. So let's try to first look at Bosphorus from Nishane. So this is actually the sample. I'm not super rich, so I had a lot of sampling I did and I had those samples lying around, so I thought that I should share my thoughts on each of them. So this might help you in buying perfumes later on in your life, or it might help you a lot. So let's spray it on a strip and see how this is. It is a name of a Turkish region, I think city. Okay, so the first thought is it's marine, water, ocean, salty, sweet, fig, maybe something like fig. Yes, white florals are there. That is why it has given me some pinch in my head over here somewhere. Yes. It is kind of like you are, just came out of the bath and you just came out of the hotel and you are walking towards the beach. That kind of smell. Fig kind of sweet. So fig is actually, if I'm saying fig sweet, it means that it is a kind of rounded sweet with marine notes, with some white florals. Yes, it's salty. It is sweet, but a little bit salty, not too much. The only thing that is, irritating me over here is white florals. If it didn't had a white floral, I think that would be a very good perfume to wear just out of shower, maybe. Okay, so this is it. This is Bosphorus from Nishane, and my thoughts about it is white florals are dominating, marine notes are dominating, everything else salty is like maybe 20% or 10%, and then it says that it's aromatic and woody, earthy. I didn't get any earthiness or woodiness over here. Maybe something mossy. Yes, that is all. So this is mainly white florals with some marine notes or marine accord with some mossiness in the background, and then we have some saltiness and sweetness, which is kind of reminds me of fig. Okay, so this is my short review about this Nishane Bosphorus. I would give it like 5 out of 10 from scent profile, and I think performance would be more than average. I think maybe 5 hours around that. This is what I thought about from this strip. It's dry down or middle notes. They are mostly white florals, which is really a headache for me. So scent profile 5, and performance 7. So this is my short review about Nishane Bosphorus, which is, I think, a city just near the ocean. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.